everybody gather your families and the child. My mother, me father, me brother, me sister, me uncle, me nephew, me niece. We wanna get together with the B.E.T. Doing it to the Polynesian style. You know how we do it. You know, yeah. We can barbecue every day of the week. Grab a six-pack after work before you sleep. The life of a Polynesian man is unique. So don't even worry, cause it's gotta miss me. Right now I wanna grab a swig of beer in the worst way. Gather my friends and tell them it's my birthday. I wanna get down cause you know I'm thirsty. Start drinking from Monday to Thursday. Ain't no party like a party when you're kicking it with Polly. Ain't no party like a party when you're kicking it with Polly. Ain't no party like a party when you're kicking it with Polly. Ain't no party like a party when you're kicking it with Polly. Doing it to the Polynesian style. Here we come.
Well, it's a Friday night, everything is alright. I'm dressed too dapper, so I'm well out of sight. I hook up with my homeboy, so pass me a light, so I can get higher than the clouds here tonight. See, we do it right and never wrong. Polynesian ties, island style, baby, so we still growing strong. My homeboys come along, and here we sing this song. So everybody come on, and let's get it on.
It's a Polynesian party tonight. Everybody in the dance just hold tight. See, it's a Polynesian party tonight. Don't want no fuss, no, don't want no fight. Yes, one love and one aim and one destination. This one goes out to all of the Polynesian. It's me Papa Steve on the mic center. Big every time come we tell this one.
Here's a different point of view from a brother that done been through all kinds of dues and abuse. I can never lose kicking with my Polynesian brothers. There ain't no others. I done grew up with their mothers trying to feed me and feed me as a young. And then all of a sudden the team is getting sprung on the Polynesian style. Looking back as a child thinking how wild we used to be. Now I'm chilling in the studio with Fiji and B.E.T. trying to make a history the next century. They're giving me L-O-V-E straight from up above, fitting tighter than the isotonic glove. When push come to shove, I'm getting love from the real deal. Now I'm chilling out with the house on the hill. Got a gang of friends, Precise fans, making ends and dividends and master the trends.